Hey everyone, welcome to Johnny Rowe Cooks. I'm freaking hungover right now. That's why we need to make some kimchi jjigae. So today we're gonna make a very easy kimchi jjigae. Kimchi jjigae is probably one of the most commonly served soup dishes in Korea because Koreans love to have kimchi, and then once the kimchi starts to get a little bit sour, we use the kimchi to make a beautiful stew. So let's make it. All the ingredients you need are shown right here. It's simply some pork. I'm using pork loin. It's about 200 grams, maybe if that. This recipe is for 2 people, by the way. I've got 500 grams of sour kimchi. First thing we're gonna do is simply just get some sesame oil, and then we're gonna put it in this pot. Let's start by adding the pork to the pot with the hot sesame oil. Just give the pork a quick sear. Pork loin actually gets pretty tender in this stew, so it's good to use. Also, a lot of times I like to use pork belly or pork shoulder meat in my kimchi jjigae. Okay, pork's done. We're just gonna add the kimchi now. Okay, so here I have my 2 cups of kimchi. I'm just gonna dump this into this pot. See, as you can see, there's not a lot of juice coming out. It's simply just kimchi. Let's fry that up a little bit so that the flavors of the kimchi releases into our pot. So when we stew it, it's gonna taste even better. All right, let's get 2.5 cups of water. So once you fry this up with the meat and the kimchi for about 5 minutes or so, let's take our 2.5 cups of water and we're just gonna dump that in. Put the cover on and let it go for about 20 minutes or so. The kimchi jjigae is ready to go. It smells delicious. I tasted it. It tastes delicious, but we're just gonna bring the color up a bit. I have some chopped up green onions, and I'm just gonna toss this or sprinkle it around the kimchi jjigae here. I like to add tofu to my kimchi jjigae, but like I said, it's optional. All right, let's just put that on there nicely. So it looks good. Presentation. Okay, let's try this out. That is so good. We got some rice here. I hope you try and make the kimchi that I make, my mom's recipe, because it makes kimchi jjigae so good, and you don't need any stock or dashi because that kimchi has so much flavor as is. Okay, let's get big kimchi with meat bite. I swear every time I try to make a video, the person upstairs starts vacuuming. I wish I wasn't sitting here in front of the camera eating for you, to be honest. I wish I was sitting on the couch right now watching a TV show and eating this, and then shortly after passing out. I hope you kimchi noobs out there try this out because this is one of those dishes that I crave like 5 times a month. I need this. And that's why it's always good to have kimchi in the fridge. You can just eat it as is. But also later, as it gets more sour, you can make a stew. Oh, cleaned it up. Did you just seriously watch me eat up to this point? Because if you have, you must be one of those mukbang weirdos, ASMR mukbang weirdos. Well, if that's the case, you might as well subscribe. Oh, by the way, I have to say I was hungover making this entire video, and if I can make this hungover, then you can make it when you're not. So give it a try. It's awesome for all occasions. Okay, peace.